Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be playing Teardown, a really specific game that I don't think any of you know. So I'm going to try and do one of these mods that I got called Plane Crash Dynamics. See if I can survive this one. Let's see. We should go to the Boeing to really test this computer. Let's see. Nah, bro, I'm going in the back. I feel like the back would be the safest place since I played this before. Let's just hope it is. Ooh, good, not good, not good. No, don't move. Do not move, do not. I am still surviving, even though I'm in the back. Also the damage. So right now in the tail was more damage. I feel like everybody survived but the pilot. So like, you can see the leftover. Looks like after it. Bro, that looks kind of good. That looks kind of good for a plane that crashed into a million trees. Please don't make me say that again, but it looks pretty good. I mean, not gonna lie. Luckily, I can still read the airline. So that's great. I mean, the other one's like Transport 800, the reconstruction of it. I can see it, but right now we don't care about that right now. Yeah, that's right. Not care about that right now. We don't care about this game for now. Let's go. So basically, like, this game is called Teardown. If you do not know that, you can go download it from Steam if you want. I pretty much don't care if you do or not. I feel like you can only do it if you have a strong computer. And just go get this mod. You have to subscribe to get it. I'm not sure how it works, but let's just ignore that real quick. And I'm gonna try and destroy this plane even more. Okay, by using this thing called Necrosauria, whatever. I don't care. I don't know what this thing is called, but I'm just gonna call it Necrosauria. And a build up. Bro, I'm going to build up as high as I possibly can. I feel like I'll die. Bruh. Anyways, now that this thing is built, I'm gonna go stand back so I don't die. And take a rocket launcher. Aim it for the bottom. Right there. There. Good. That's good. Bro! That exploded instantly. Like, how? How? I feel like the nose literally disappeared, even though it did not. bit too laggy. I'm going to just go back to the main menu. I'll turn off the gun. Turn off the gun.